Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I've been busy doing some work on my laptop, that's why I've got it here. I am here today to do my sinking funds. I'm hoping to get a few of these envelopes stuffed today. I have got £50. I do believe it's £50. Yep, £50. 10, 15, 20, 5, 30, 5, 40, 5, 50, and then £10. And this extra £10, it's from some side hustle, but I decided to take £10 out of the money and add it to my sinking funds, and I did put the rest away. I've got my dice. We've got well-being, spending, hair, going out, labour and hobbies. And I roll the dice, and whatever number it lands on, that envelope gets stuffed. So let's go for it. Number 4, that's going out, so that gets £5. I think I should just take this out and leave it here. Just put that over there, see if we can see it. Yep, we can see it. Okay, so that's 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 going out. So going out gets £5. And we'll roll again. 6 is hobbies. How are you guys doing? I hope well. It's very cold in London, and just wrapping up and keeping warm. 1, so 1 is well-being, and that is going to get £5. One again, all right. I don't need much in well-being, to be honest. I've got all my bits and pieces. 2, that is spending. I think we don't mind putting a little bit in spending. 3, we've got hair. Definitely need hair. I've just been washing and conditioning, giving my my hair deep conditioning. I haven't had it coloured or anything because it's cold and I don't bother with it. I just take care of it the best way I can, give it a steam and stuff like that, because in the cold weather I normally wrap my head and I wear lots of hats. 2, that's spending. I do like wearing hats when it's cold outside. 4, we've got going out. I haven't been going out, only for walks with Archie at the park. 1, and that is well-being. Okay, well, if I need anything else from the other envelopes, I will take out from well-being, and that's how I juggle it. 2, that's spending. Right, and let's just take a couple of 5s out from there. 2, spending again. All right. 4, that's going out. Wow. Right, and that's me. Okay, so let's see what we've got here so far. For well-being, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Not bad. Spending, I've got 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And for hair, I've got 15. Going out has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Labour has got £10. And hobbies has got 5, 10, 15, 20. I may have to take this out because I have bought a couple of arts and crafts supplies, but I did have some spare money, so I'm not missing it. And that's that. Did everyone get, I can't remember if everyone got something this week. I can't remember, but that's me done with my sinking funds. If I need to do my hair at any time, I may just take out some money out of the spending and the well-being. Doesn't matter to me, I just juggle it that way. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I will see you back soon. Bye for now.